Local taxi drivers under the banner of the MJACCV have come down heavily upon the All Meghalaya Commercial Vehicle Owners and Drivers Association for holding talks with the DC yesterday, proposing a hike in taxi fares. The leaders of the MJACCV said that the actions of all the Meghalaya Commercial Vehicle Owners and Drivers Association has provoked the wrath of all the taxi drivers who have been protesting the hike in the prices of petrol and diesel for the last many days. Such an action, they added, would only defeat the efforts of the taxi drivers to remedy the unscrupulous hike in petrol prices. The chairman of the MJACCV has uncategorically stated that the actions of all Meghalaya Commercial Vehicle Owners and Drivers Association are unacceptable, adding that it is such actions that hampers the struggle to bring in positive change and development in the society.
Te ya kata tu dainem dei pa wejen jong government te kasong ho namar ki pa ba te ngani tu ipik la dom si se samna te nagalyang ga jonga galong ong su ya ka ba ka jing pharia te kla don lupa ka government te kamut hi ban pharia ban pentlot ya ni jing ki jong ni na don hi ban ong man kran ki ban ta ba hal ju ko por balik ki ka DC mo ka te ka hajing si sangi snow ban ong ba kala de DC blok tong kmat ma no kakayas dengan itu hajing sa habang submit ichi da puli lo tonto mi ong ban ma di khajna jo ikot kali ru kunjo nembe ban ma bi kot ye ki khajna namar bala impose 100% taxes yang ki try kali ki nongbo kali nalu ki bus ki sumo ki torres ta ki local taxi ki auto rickshaw kumta ter kenre mi ong ba la kuno government kali ban perkhan hapren ka kani ka pandemic pin impose 100% taxes kalong ka ba ngim so na te tang di tahi kalong ba ngi tingin ya be sakmat e jingi ki jumi ba nga kentu sa sisen ya kita kali le khamta laga ki note ban ong ba kin ayu shabi ki jongki ban thanya ki driver ban mi sasrok te ka de res ka jongki mo namar ba khaba ong nang ngin nang ya ki ka pangin pat yo e ka ho te lada manta lada ya ka hok ka jongi la sa pandon kam baklano pat hakum kini ki riu sim kabu menta mo ki ba mut ban pharia ya ke ban riu ko jongi ba mut ban pharia ya ke jinglong tali ke jong ki tran pinang nya kali ngasudai ban ong ba nagalyang ki try ke di man suthu kham ha